the previous lecture, I have discussed with you about affiliate marketing clearly. When you hear about affiliate programs, two things that come up our mind is Amazon and Clickbank. So in this lecture, I'm gonna explain you what is Clickbank and how does it work. You all know Clickbank is the affiliate marketing network which helps to link the product owners with affiliate. Clickbank is the marketplace where you can find all type of digital products in one place. Product owners can use Clickbank as an effective way to advertise their products, and affiliate can pick them to promote and can earn best commission available in internet. Clickbank is the way to earn more money as an affiliate, and also it is free to sign up and there are plenty of products to work with. As I said before, it is completely free to sign up and by using Oplinks. You will think, what is Oplink? It is a referral tracking URL from the affiliate platform, and it is a URL that do two things. It links a potential customers to a vendor site and informs Clickbank which affiliate brought the customer to buy the product. As a Clickbank affiliate, you need to know how to use Oplink to promote Clickbank product. In my upcoming lecture, I will tell you how to get it. As one of the largest online retailers, Clickbank takes advantage of the power of their digital marketing partners and sells over 6 million unique products to 200 million customers around the world. As I said before, Clickbank is the large marketplace, so search for the products you need to promote and do research about it. And you have one of the biggest advantage if you become a Clickbank affiliate. Yeah, you can identify your commissions easily. As an affiliate, the important thing is you have to know about your commission. Based on the commission, you have to select your product. Being a Clickbank affiliate is very easy, but everyone will think, why I'm telling Clickbank is the best way to being a successful affiliate. There are lots of benefits in selecting Clickbank as an affiliate. I'm going to explain in detail about why to select Clickbank. In my next lecture, I'm gonna tell you the advantages of being a Clickbank affiliate.